So yeah, good news, the Tello is here at the PO, so which is post office. So I'm just going to go down and pick it up. If you've seen my last few videos, I'm just playing around with this new DJI RYZE Tello, and I think flying it's going to be a lot easier with a remote control unit. So yeah, let's get around the corner here. Oh, here we go guys, my Tello remote, check it out. Just picked them up from the PO and I'm going to crack it open. Probably not here while I'm driving, it's probably not a good idea. I've also picked up another battery and can't remember, some more props or something, so I'll actually have a look, see what it is. Yeah, and I'll do a comprehensive review of this remote just to show you guys how much easier it is to fly this drone with this remote unit. So I'll just take it out the bag here to see what I've got before I go home. There's something there. I actually picked this up from Johnny Appleseed. Postage bloody fast and took a couple of days. Crazy. No, this isn't an official unboxing. I'm just ripping it out that bag, see what's in it. So yeah, picked up a battery, that's right, another Tello battery. This is a must-have because the batteries don't last very long. Lovely blue cover for the drone, nice, look at that, it's lovely. And the, what I believe is the Bluetooth remote, T1d. I'm hoping this works with Android because I don't have an Apple. I'm pretty sure it does, so if it doesn't, we're in trouble. I do have an old Apple phone, however the Android, the Apple app doesn't work with my phone because it's not new enough. So what's it say on the back here? Model number, GameSir, blah blah blah, whatever. Let's go home and let's have a play and let's sort out this remote control and have a fly. Okay, see you next video for the flight, see you this video for the unboxing. Okay, here we go. So my GameSir TD1, the DJI or RYZE Tello RC Bluetooth remote controller. Let's unbox it. Also, I picked up a blue lid, something different from the white, so we'll go ahead and put that on and check out my other videos. Yeah, as I said, the battery doesn't last very long, so I picked up another battery, so a bit more flight time, which is pretty cool. So picked all of these up from this mob here, Johnny Appleseed. So paid 49 bucks for this remote. It's about the going rate. This is from Australia, not from anywhere overseas, China, etc. Blue cover, looking at about 15 bucks, and another battery picked up for 25 bucks. Good investment, I reckon. So let's go ahead and crack these things open, see what's going on. Looks like there's some instructions inside this case here, so okay. Open her up. Look at here, a manual. Wow. There's a lot of work that's going into that. Crikey. Snap on top cover. So we've got a huge book here. Looks like it explains this in many different languages. It explains how to put it on. So I think I might go ahead and snap that on right now. Specifications: 0.06 of an ounce. Okay, so let's find the English one quickly. Cue the fast forward, by the way. Yeah, doesn't really tell me much. Looks like you just snap it off at the front there. Sorry, the back here. You lift this up and it all just snaps off, apparently. Snap, snap, snap. Snap, snap, snap. Okay. Certainly does just snap off, doesn't it? Okay. So, might be good underneath here anyway. That's where our battery sits, in there. And a bit of a skeleton, sure. Okay, so let's pop this one out of here. It seems to, crikey, seems to be in there really well. Wow, certainly was stuck in there. This is really light, guys, like really light. I don't know if you can see that, but which is good. Okay, so I suppose we snap the old one off and we'll probably snap the new one on. Well, that's snapped on. Let's get rid of some fingerprints. Yeah, pretty good. Tell us what you think. Prefer the white or my new blue? Quite like the blue. milliamp hours, 3.8 volts, energy 4.18 WH, something or other, blah blah. So again, it's these really are stuck in this plastic, folks. Let me tell you. Oh, yeah, rightio. Oh, back. Now I will give this a full charge before I use it, so we'll stick it in there. I imagine it's got some charge in it already, however, let's give it a full charge up before we head out to the big wide world and do some flying. Okay, what we've been waiting for, the Bluetooth remote control unit. I'm hoping that my mobile device is going to fit on top here. It's a little bit of a concern I have. So, okay, here we have the unit. Encased in some nice plastic. Instruction book, Bluetooth controller, nothing under there, nothing more in there. Pretty comprehensive book in many languages, and tells you how to fly it, what those buttons do and everything, which it actually says when you open up the Tello up on your mobile device. It tells you what all these buttons do anyway, but I'll read that, but not now, because you'll hit the stop button and go on to the next video. Okay, the unit itself, nothing more to it there. So what do you get? You get the remote and you get the instructions. Now, straight out the bat, this feels like a pretty sturdy, cool unit. Really nice to hold in the hands. This rubber is actually quite grippy. It's not your normal plasticky type stuff like this. It's actually quite a nice grip feel to it, so it's pretty good. Okay, so here's our on-off button. Obviously, we have a reset button at the back here, and what I want to see straight up, it folds up there and that expands up there. Okay, GameSir folds down. Very good. So you can use it obviously without your mobile device should you wish to use it. Now, you all know the dimensions of this unit. The handle, they're about 16 centimeters. Or if you're in another part of the world, you're looking at just over 6 inches from left to right. So it's actually quite a decent size remote. Not like your little Chinese cheapy drone type remotes, so that's cool. Without further ado, I'm going to stick that there. Put my phone in here, and hopefully it's going to fit. Registered number, it's trademarked. Oh, okay, so the bottom flips out. Okay, so to put your mobile device in, the bottom will flip out, and there's a bit of a rubber stop pad there for a nice non-slip surface. Just in case you're wondering, because I was, what's the distance from fully expanded to the end? Oh, if I can just hold that there. Yep, nearly 3.5 inches, or you're looking at 8.5 centimeters. So yeah, total distance from the bottom purchase to the top, and I'm hoping, by crikey, it fits in there, doesn't it? And yeah, it fits in there quite well actually. I wouldn't shake this around too much, I think it will pop off, but let's have a look. This is a Note 4 by the way guys, pretty heavy brick of a phone, but she holds it pretty well. So yeah, you got anything that sits around the 8 centimeter mark, slightly more, then no drama. Okay, well, let's try and hook up our other way up. I'm flying completely blind here, I've never done this before, so what I'm going to do is long press the button at the back there to turn the remote on, and as you can see we have some LEDs here flashing. I would suggest that's power supply. There's 4 little blue lights, nice little colourful stick there. Let's turn the Tello on. Stuff. Turn on the Tello so that we can actually try and get some action going here. So we're connected to the Tello. Terrific. Like so. Battery takeoff failed. Okay, so our battery on the Tello is flat. That's cool. So brand new battery. That answers that question. It's completely flat. Okay, so it's Bluetooth controller settings. GameSir TD1 disconnected. So if we hit that, we've got a connect in there, and it's now connected. And as I said, I've never read anything. I'm not sure how to do this, but judging by what's going on here, yeah, pretty simple. So it's now connected. Game controller diagram, how to connect the game controller. So I think we'll hit the diagram, and we've got some information here which relates to what each button does, and flips and takes off, records video, take off land, which is R2 and Y. So if you look at the thingy, so that would be rear 2, and Y, which is the top one here. It's got a nice little yellow Y. So I suppose it's a matter of, say, hitting that and hitting that, and it takes off. Okay, that's pretty cool. Pretty happy with that. So we're connected. So what we'd normally do now, I would imagine, is we head back, we look at the more video, everything reverts back to normal. So every time you start this up, as you'll see in my other videos, if you want your photo quality and your video quality to be nice and its maximum setting, then you need to do this every time you start it up. So photo quality on high, bitrate on 4 meg, flight speed slow. Okay, I don't think we're going to be able to take off. I'll run through all of these in my next video and a flight of it, so I shall tell you whatever all these buttons do, because I'm not going to tell you now because I simply don't know. However, as far as pairing it with your mobile device and getting it ready to go, simple as that. So awesome. I'm pretty happy I got this. I'm going to go charge up some batteries, and I'm going to head out and do some testing with my new remote. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, questions, happy to answer. Happy flying, and see you next time.